I'm sure you keep wondering, why am I using the green cupcake silicone mold all the time? It's because it's the one that you can see nicely what I'm doing on the inside when I put the colored things, because the others are orange, pink, blue, so you can't see. So thank you for coming back to my channel. I'm Juliet Megwe, and I'm going to share with you how to make an African beaded napkin ring. Quite special, quite different, very easy if you have these cupcake molds, and I got one that's shiny inside, so I don't have to do any polishing at all. I hope you watch until the end. It will be worthwhile for you, because I'll share with you another way to use these napkin holders as cutlery holders, and funky way to spruce up your tablescape during special meals or any day, you know, Valentine's, Thanksgiving, Christmas, Mother's Day, just a special time on your table. And the easiest thing to do right now is for you to go there, subscribe and press the notification bell so that you don't miss out on my next video uploads. After that, we can make a very simple napkin ring. So I'd already mixed my resin because I was making a big batch, and so you just put a layer, at the bottom, of course. Put quite a bit. And then I'm going to pick the small bits. You see, I had two, the bigger bits and the small one. So the trick is to put the small ones, and you can pick whatever color you choose. Always wear a mask. I think because I'm doing one, I said, hey, it's today, let me talk to you without the voiceover. And because the resin has stayed out for a bit, it doesn't have bubbles. But in case you see any bubbles, you can use a blowtorch or a heat gun. Silicone can withstand the heat. For now, that is it. If they are not sinking on their own, you can help them out. Send them to the base, because we need them to sink. If you want to add color, you can, but for me, for this design, I thought because either the napkins will be white. Most times people want napkin rings that you can use more than once with different things, different napkins, different themes. So I decided to keep this simple to make it versatile. You can see here I'm trying to follow the design on the cupcake mold so that we can see it once it's demolded. Alright, so what I'm going to do is let it cure and dry almost fully. Not fully, but so that it's cured more, so that when we put the next layer, whatever we put on top does not sink. So that's what we're going to do. Please keep watching, and don't forget, you can ask me any question in the comment section below, or DM me at Juliet Megwe Inspires on Instagram, or maybe make an order for yourself for one of these. Okay, now it's cured a bit, but not fully. And so what we're going to do is, it's tedious work, but we're going to pick the tweezers and put this at the end. And the reason we're putting the bigger ones like this is so that when you view it from the side, it has a 3D effect so that it looks elevated. So we are just elevating we're just elevating a simple I'm using a wipe to take away an alcohol wipe. So we're saying we're just elevating it so that it looks better, not just bland. So these are a little tedious. Okay, so now we just add one last layer, and the reason we had to wait for it to dry is so that these bigger ones don't sink or move. Because now they won't move down when it's out of leveling. Alright, so we'll just wait for it to dry, then I'll show you how it looks. We are going to demold our napkin with the African beads, a napkin ring, and it's so satisfying. Just remove it from this side. Oh, it's a little stuck. Oh wow, why is it tearing? You saw that was tearing. At least I have another one. I don't know why, because see how easy they come out. I don't know why that did that. Yeah, lovely. You can see here where we were saying two different sizes. You can see the big one here. You can see it here. You can see that it's giving it depth and defines. It looks very 3D. And we chose a neutral color so that when you put your napkin, it does not take away from the experience, and you can use it any time of the year. Let me show you how we use it on the napkins, then you'll see the effects. I am hoping you have loved this and how simple it is, and that you love how they look. Please remember to DM me at Juliet Mego Inspires on Instagram if you have any questions or if you'd like to have a set of this. And then please subscribe and press the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any future video uploads. God bless you. Barakatele. We hope to see you next time.